dingwa Northern Cape le ditukiso tsa bohlokwa mane Coffee Fountain le Drumsburg. Hona ha se fela tukiso ya ditseng ke matlafatso ya bophelo ba beng ba dipolasi, malapa le dikgwebo. Re boetse re sebedisana le mmuso le wena ho kgothalletsa polokeho mebileng, ho ikwabela melao ya sephethephethe, ho netefatsa hore dipalangwang di loketse tsela, ho botsa bakganni, bapalami le ditaso ho hlompha meedi ya lebelo, ho fasa mabanta a pholoho le ho ba hledi. Lesedi FM le na le wena kgwedi ena kaofela ho netefatsa tswelopele, ho kgothalletsa polokeho mebileng le ho hokahanya batho ditoropong. Metse moholo le dibakeng tsa mahae. Lesedi FM ke molelwa.
O sontso le fela jwalo moamedi metsotso ke supileng ka mara hora ya boraro ya dumedisang ha jwale ke Lebo Maoela topi wa FM. Moamedi ke la boraro wa la robedi a kgwedi ke Mphalane selemo ke 2025 2025 mehe ho tla ba monate selemong sa hao ka jolo ka ha le letsatsi la boitekulo masututsa re leboha hle thuso nketsa motaung o na tsamaya the soul provider mo ho jolo le tsietsi mohola di ka ditaba tsa hora ya boraro tsa di badileng ka phetse ke bona ba haesa le re felletse re le mo afternoon drive e tuka malakane
ke nna top lama 7 re felletse robedi fela metsotso re felletse hora ya boraro mamele motla dumela o dumedisa jalo ke the bundle of joy Thabo Mokone re le builetse tsi mohala di ka ditaba tseno tsa hora ya boraro ke nana le holo haholo ka jeno o tla utlwa baneng re tshwalo re ke nana le holo haholo Afrika borwa ke dumela hore o ikemiseditse ho utlwa hore re tshwere mang re ya kae ka jeno nana le na le ratella afternoon drive tafleng ya dipapadi ke bongani chabalala
Ere ke leboya holo wana tibla ke leboya holo le wena lebza mamadi wa Lesedi FM le bisola ka ke bongane tshabalala jolo ka sa hlalositse ngwana mme nna ke dutse tafoleng ya dipapadi ko shebetse tsona ke tlatla ko sulela he metsotsong ya 30 ka morao ra ya boraro e 30 ka morao ra ya bone le 30 ka morao ra ya bohlano re be mmoho re thella ka dipapadi ho re ya thella afternoon drive dumela
ha letsatsi le rapama sa sanka le re ya thella afternoon drive show ho Lesedi FM e ba le dikgalala Thabo Mokone le Lebo Maoela ba di hula mmoho le ka Kapa bongani chabalala di hora tse tharo kaofela tsa monyaka o sa feleng.
Dumela auslebo le abuti boss
ke the best top number 7
ha kule ba holo ga itsela motho sontso le fela jwalo moamedi
mino o phamisa moya le tse ding tsa moraorao tjena re o tlisetsa dikgoku le ho hlaba malotsana ho opportunity Mondays, Hustlers Tuesdays le 30 under 30 hodima moo re ikgantsha ka botjhaba ba rona le ho bapatsa dibini tsa mefuta e fapaneng ya mmino e kenyelletsang amapiano, hip hop le mmino wa bodumedi. Mona re o beha leseding le ho thabisa ka dintlha tsa bohlokwa tsa dibini tsena. Ke monyaka fela ho ya hwile mamela re a thella manta ho isa ka la bohlano ho renya boraro ho fihla ka hora ya botshelela ho Lesedi FM ke molelwa.
Ho lahlehelwa ke wa leloko ho bohloko mme ditjeo tsa lepato di ka ba boima ka One Life o ka pata ditho tse 16 tsa lelapa ho fihlella ho 50,000 motho ka mong o be o fumane melemo ya grocery hlaho ya lejwe le ho feheletsa mofu SMS tsa cover ho 34546 One Life Insurance Limited ena le license ya insurance ya bophelo mme ke FSP melawana le dipehelo di inthaneteng ditefello ke tse tlwaelehileng.
Bahlabani bantu ba ya tseba hore ba keke ba kena sefofaneng se le ba United States, Mexico le Canada fela ntse ba nyoretswe tlholo. Ha bafana ba dumela hore ha o letho eo ba tla idumela hore eme tseleng ya bona ho hapa dintlha tse tharo. Ena ke papadi ya Afrika ya ho phunyeletsa 2026 FIFA World Cup. Boha diketsahalo ha Zimbabwe e thulana le Afrika Borwa la bohlano la 10 Mphalane metsotsong e 30 ka morao hore ya bohlano mantsibuya ka kotlelo SABC 2 le SABC Plus mme we mamele tshebeletsong ya hao ya Lesedi FM o itlisetswa ka motlotlo ke SABC Sport.
for the love of the game.
Re a thella ho Lesedi FM Thabo le Lebo lingetsetsa nyenyenye ke molelwa o gaba jalo ka bikoko ke ya mo ratana ke ya mo swelana
stay. You better tell it in the rooms, ladies. Yeah, ain't gonna be no staying out late. Oh no, you better bring it all home to you. Whatever you do, don't let them do you any kind of way. You gotta make them do right. Ladies, don't you let them do you wrong. Gotta make them do you right. Yeah. Even if it means that you'll end up alone, do right. Ladies, don't you let him do you wrong. Gotta make him do right. Ladies, you got to be strong if he's gonna change. Oh, you'd better promise to be true, yeah. Oh, it's gotta be true. I ain't gonna play silly games. Oh, no. Don't let him dog you or misuse you. Try to confuse you. You gotta let him know where you stand. Make him do you right. Oh, don't you let him do you wrong. Oh, even if it's gonna mean that you'll end up alone. Oh, you gotta make him do you right. Don't you let him do you wrong, yeah. Make him do you right. Ladies, you got to be strong. I don't have to think it over, 'cause I made up my mind, yeah. If he don't wanna get married, then it can't be. No, made up mind. I refuse to be walked on. I can't take much more. Well, I made my decision. He's got no position. It's my way or it's the do you right. Don't you let him do you wrong. No. Even if it means that you're end up alone, you gotta make him.
Mamadiki ntho monate ya go letlang go era jalo ka Karyn White mme wa ipotsa go baneng ba thagola lenaneo ka tsela ena ka jeno na le se etsahalang na fela ka se re bone marangrang a lesedi FM se etsahalang e bangwe se marangrang he beya tsebe ya house ya le moyeng ka tse e leng gore o tshware tsona ka jeno final Karyn White a re make him do right fela ona jole he ho etsa bonnete ba seo mantswe ana se bolelang le nna making him do right Thabo.
Babadi a bekeng e fetileng o slam the scam le Austhandi re utlwile ka lerato ya ileng a lefa ditjeo tsa tshebeletso a bakeng sa mosebetsi o siyo tsohle tseo di ne di bonahala e le nnete empa e bile lefela la mafela bollotsana bo etswang bo tshepisa batho ba mosebetsi ba sebetsa ba le malapeng bo robile batho ba bangata dipelo hopola ha ho mosebetsi wa nnete a ka o kopang hore o lefe ha o batla ho sebetsa na o batla ho ba mohlodi ka Capitec kena le qhepeng la bona la Facebook o arabe potso ena ka mora hore lerato a qhekanyetswe Austhandi o itse ke eng ya bohlokwa e re tlamehang ho yela hloko mabapi le ho tshepiswa mosebetsi a dula o hlalefile a dula o le tjhatsi slam the scam ka Capitec FSP 4669 ya semolao hona le melawana le dipehelo #slam the scam. Oh yeah.
Ho jalo fela moemedi me jalo ka ha o so utlile he jalo ka rile wa utlwa re pheta hape pina wa utlwa re pheta hape pina ho la le ntho e tsahalang moemedi o santsa le teng moeti wa rona wa bohlokwa ka jeno jalo ka re thagola ra thella afternoon drive re thagola ka yena ga tseba hore mafelo ana beke a tlang ke a maholo a holo province ya Freestata ha holo jwa Bloemfontein empa tseo tsohle re di tshwere fela moeti wa bohlokwa ka jeno ke Karyn White.
Karyn, welcome to the City FM. Welcome to South Africa. Hi, how are you?
I'm great. Dumelong, South Africa. Dumelong. Yay.
Okay. This sums up that your time here is already beautiful. You enjoying yourself.
Yes, especially when I walked into this station.
Yeah.
And just, it's been great. You know, I've been traveling, and we just got off the plane not too long ago. I had to take 2 weeks, and then I popped up with my beautiful daughter, Ashley Lewis Pittman, over here, her first time in South Africa. Yes.
19 hours in the plane, I'm sure you must have been exhausted, but hey,
y'all are worth it.
Hey.
Come on now. I had to come and get some of this love, of this spiritual connection we got.
Karyn, what did you have for lunch? I'm asking because I'm concerned.
Oh, what did I have? Oh, look, I had some pretzels.
Okay.
Oh, I thought you'd say a South African kota, a Josie kota.
Not yet. We'll get to that after.
Yeah.
When I tell y'all, it's literally been bing, back, boom, the top of I'm doing some Kendrick Lamar. Like, I'm really goofy right now because I'm like on fumes, so I'm a little silly right now, y'all.
Yeah. And South Africa is your second home. One can ask you, how do you find that? We know this is your second home.
Yeah, you know that it's my second home. You know that I'm in love with you guys, and the love affair is real, and I'm thankful and grateful. You guys are my world. That's why I'm here, and I'm loving you guys to be the first to share my new record, and it had to be with you guys. Come on.
Yeah,
nobody deserves it like South Africa. I'm sorry. United States, Japan, and London, and Europe. Nobody deserves it like South Africa.
Just like Thabo has said, this is your second home. You were here in 2018 during the Divas concert, and then you came back in 2022 for the Cape Town tour.
And then 23 I was here.
Yes. And then
Mahi King?
Yes, Mahi King.
Yes.
And then now you are back again.
Yes.
And it's more of not a different feel because divas and woman to woman. And
yes, the sisterhood.
Yes, it's one and the same thing. So how do you feel?
Oh, I'm always honored to be chosen. You know, first of all, it's just like I said.
Yeah.
That even people
Karyn,
know me.
Hold that thought. Thought. Let's take a 10. After the ad break, you just continue where you left off.
Okay.
Mogotsi tšhelete e bua dipuo tse ngata-ngata tse fapaneng tseo bohle re di utlwisisang o utlwa ka le hona kapa eo bohle re e tlwaetseng ka tsatsi la mogolo ha ho potang o tla reng hang ka o bolela hore ho Standard Bank letsatsi le leng le le leng e ka ba letsatsi la mogolo ha o bula Achiever kapa MyMo account mme ya ba o deposita 500 rand o ka hapa karolo ya hao ya ho ya ho 20 million rand hape ha o fetolela mogolo wa hao o oketsa menyetla ya ho hapa bula account ho app kapa lekaleng ka jeno Standard Bank ke mofani wa ditshebeletso tsa ditjhelete ya molaong lo mokitlane ya ngodisitsweng ho na le melawana le dipehelo
di fihlile disolo tse ntjha tsa MTN Share 5G di kakatletse data e ngata-ngata o rotse bo streama haholwanyane o bapale di-game o benne o hokahane haholwane iphumanele Share 600 ka 300 gigs ya 20 megabytes per second ho Home Pro plan le 300 gigs tse phalletsweng ka 5G e lebelo kgweding tse 12 ka 399 fela ka kgwedi o ka e lefa kgwedi ka kgwedi e ya ho mtn.co.za kapa lebenkeleng la MTN ka jeno ho na le melawana le dipehelo ho laola kgonahalo ya kgokahano ya 5G MTN, SA's best network.
Clientele Legal e o nolofaletsa hore o finyelle tshebeletso tsa boiphihlelo tsa maqwetha. Naha ka bophara re na le sehlopha sa maqwetha a emetseng ho thusa le ho emela lekgotleng la dinyewe ha o hlokeha. SMS tsa lesedi ho 39771 mme re tla o letsetsa. Clientele General ke mofani wa semolao wa insurance eo e seng ya bophelo le tshebeletso tsa ditjhelete. Ho sebetsa tefello tse tlwaelehileng mme ho na le melawana le dipehelo.
CUFA ka tshebedisano mmoho le Lesedi FM ba o tlisetsa mekete e monate ka di-1 tsa October ho fihlela ka di-12 tsa October 2025. Mekete e agang a back-to-back series ka di-3 tsa October. Pitiki ka di-4 tsa October. Lesedi FM CUFA Gospel ka di-5 tsa October. Woman to Woman ka di-10 tsa October. Mekete ena kaofela e tla etsahala All Grace Bloemfontein. Ati mokete o moholo wa Global Stage o tla etsahala Rose Garden Bloemfontein ka di-11 tsa October. Ditikete di a fumaneha CompuTicket, Ticket Pro, Spa, BP le Astron. Fumana lesedi le fetang mona ka ho etela cufafestival.co.za #ReaCUFASela #CUFAFestival25.
Mamedi metsotso ke mashwabere metsomedi ka mara hora bro ke ratela afternoon drive ntse re dutse le Karyn White. Just before the commercial break, we were talking about you being part of Woman to Woman and Global Stage. How do you feel?
Yeah, I was just saying that you guys chose me. You don't choose South Africa. You guys chose me. So I feel special. So, because I tell a lot of the artists over there, they're like, why? You're over there all the time. And I was like, look, don't be mad. Don't be jealous. But shout out to, some of my, artists that like Deborah Cox. She comes over here too. Tamia. So we all kind of like have a little sisterhood together too. So we need to do something together over here too.
And the lineup this year is insane.
Oh my God, I'm listening to the music.
Yes, we've seen both stages. The lineup is out of this world.
Wow.
And guess who's headlining the
Oh
both
my God.
days?
I hope I look, y'all putting some pressure on me. Y'all putting some pressure on the superwoman. But I guess I am the superwoman.
Yeah.
So I'm up for the challenge,
What can we expect from your performance on the stage? We know you've got about 2 new singles. I know.
Yeah, we got 2 new singles.
You're going to Want Me Back?
No, we're not doing that because I wanted to give. I asked the promoter and the fans, and he gave me a list of like core. I'm singing like all the things y'all want because I've never done that before. They like, we want 1 minute. We want. Of course, Make Him Do, Right Here Comes the Pain, Rather Be Alone, I'm Your Woman, just core, Make Him Do, just like all of the core songs that you guys want that maybe I haven't played. I've never played 1 minute, so I'm doing that over here too this time.
This year. Oh,
Yeah. So it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be beautiful. The setup is beautiful with the strings and my South African band that I've played with every time I've come here. Maybe not every time, but majority of times.
Sure.
So it's going to be beautiful. And I'm just excited, like I said, to be chosen, to be here. Always grateful and thankful.
Now let's talk about the new single, the new record.
You're gonna want me back. Ooh,
What is it about?
Well, it's about empowerment and owning, who you are, and it's for men and for women, but especially for my sisters because y'all know I got y'all back. We've evolved, and if it's you've maybe moved on from a relationship and you're not bitter, but because you understand that you gave all the best that you could, and you love yourself, reclaiming that power. So you don't want me back. Because I did you good. I did you right.
It's about time. You're gonna want me back. Okay, mashoma mabedi le metsebetlhano ka mora hora ya boraro ntse re dutse jalo le Karyn White. Re bua ka You Gonna Want Me Back. And wa ipotsa lapeng mo hore ke pina mofuta ofeng, ke pina jwa.
You said that it ain't over, that's pride talking. poured you some tea, you had nothing to say. You sat real quiet like the words might hurt. I watched you crumble, stumble, but I stayed alert. You cracked your smile, trying to change the tone. I knew that look, you were already gone. You said don't trip, like you stuck on repeat. I ain't mad, I'm just back on my feet. Hey, you're gonna want me back. Oh, you're gonna need me one day. Hey, oh, you're gonna want me back. Hey, you're gonna miss my loving. Hey, you're gonna want me back. You're gonna want me back. Hey, you're gonna want me back.
Yo, woman,
We
yeah.
got a little performance going on in the studio, y'all.
Mama do mona tse ka mona ka diphaposing tsa gaso ene go nketse ntho monate haholo ya Karyn White. Are you gonna want me back? Ke rata mona ba re hey hey hey. You gonna want me. No, this one has to be performed live on stage.
Oh my God! Now y'all really
You
paying
have to
attention.
be performing.
Okay, band, did y'all hear that? Are you listening? Get to learning this record.
Karyn, we love you so much, and we also know that there's a long version of Superwoman that has been released.
Oh, a long version?
Yeah, a long.
It was
ver-
already
a-
long.
A long. Yeah.
It was
now there's
extra
long.
Yeah, yeah.
Really?
You know,
Interesting.
so I know most women would like to see you perform Superwoman. Are we expecting that?
Of course.
Something for
Of
it.
course.
Something special planned for the performance of
Oh,
the song.
yeah. It's always special. I mean, listen, you guys, I'm singing from the heart, my truth. And that's one thing I think y'all love about me. It's who I am. So, yeah, I'm going to lose my mind like I always do because it's my truth, you know.
There are those who are sitting and listening to the radio and are chuffed that, wow, Karyn White, she's in South Africa, she's in the country, and what do I have to do to go and see her live? What is it that one person somewhere and friends and family members and a boss and a community members needs to do to come and see you live on stage?
Need to come. They just need to buy a ticket.
Yes. Yes.
Get your ticket. Come on. Get your ticket. Woo! Get your ticket. Come and see the boo. Koopa. That's the oh
Yes, that's
y'all
the
better,
one.
yeah.
That's the
Get your
one.
ticket. Come on now and show up in white on Saturday.
Yeah.
And so we're doing an empowerment sisterhood event on Friday. So, you know, I guess we're doing some reds, burgundies. So, I mean, but you don't need that. Just come, bring a beautiful spirit and ready to have a good time. And let's make some memories, y'all. Let's make some beautiful memories because nothing is promised, right?
And I heard you talk about the all-white attire that you've got for yourself.
Oh, yeah? Oh, you heard me talk about it? You talking about that? If I can fit in that white dress that's so cute and sexy, we'll see. No.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because we were talking about being on the plane all that time, and then you go, oh, I can't eat anything, but then you're bored.
Just stay away from pop.
Oh, I
Stay
say,
away from pop.
that's already a given. We don't fool with no pop over here. It was the carbs that called.
Oh, yeah.
Momedi o sontse o utlwa he CUFA Festival. Etsahala he woman to woman.
Woman to
Makadi
woman. Go ahead.
O tla ke pina ko re o mona fela Karyn.
a ko re jwetsa hanyane o ko tle o kopala me stage hanyane fela ka pelenyana koketso o ko re tlo re jwetsa gore ditikete re di fumana kae re se re le kae ka mosebetsi wa ditikete thekiso wa ditikete ba batlang go tla ba tlo bona Karyn White ba lokela gore ba etse jwang
bona Thabo ke re ditikete di a fela
Yay.
di re fa because ra CUFA sela so ditikete di ntse di le teng mara di a fela CompuTicket, ShopRite, Checkers, Spar, Boxer, BP Garage, Astron Garages. Please hurry for VIP. Call 051 444 2301. That's 051 444 2301. Tickets are still available. Come and enjoy. Go to woman to woman. We have zonke. we have Karyn White.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we have Monewa, Male from the Free State, Kutala from the Free State, never before heard. You know, we have DJ Young celebrating his 10-year anniversary. So, ladies, man, for the first time, there will be a man on the Women's Kere kamona ka Saturday na le global stage na le Tate Hot Sticks Mabuza na le Karyn White hape Tate Andy Naral on the drums na le Ntando Vusinova kore ho tloba mo ferefere I don't know tshware oh big up Big Fountain praise that Rose Garden on Saturday Old Grays ka Friday no cooler box ka Old Grays for woman to woman but Saturday tlonga di cooler box libe batle man libe batle
So who taught Karyn Sesotho kwena?
Hanyane. We're trying.
So she's the one who taught you Dumela.
Yes.
Yes.
We're trying.
We're trying. We're starting with one word.
Yeah.
You want to give me another word?
How far can you go? Dumelang, lekai,
Legai? Dumilang legai?
lekai,
Legai?
riting lekai.
Riting legai?
Yes,
Yes, South African.
Hey.
Do you have a South African name, perhaps?
Yes, I do. I have one. Matadiso.
Matadiso.
And y'all, that means blessing.
Yes.
Yes. So I was given that at Boralong tribe when I was here in 2023, and it was so beautiful. Oh my God. Yeah. So I never will forget that. And yes, that's my name. That's my name. Matadiso Karyn White.
Matadiso Karyn White. Thank you so much. I wonder how does it feel to see your mommy being loved so much by a country? How does it feel?
I love it.
You love it for her. You love it.
Come and get some of this love, girl.
Yeah.
She deserves it all.
Oh man.
Oh.
Oh man.
No, Matadiso Realebo. Realebo means thank you.
Oh.
Realebo. Realebo.
Relebola.
Realeboha.
Releboha.
Yes.
If I say it like Grace Jones, releboha. Releboha. No, really, it's like it helps me like.
Yeah.
Yes,
Then
the
I can say
energy.
it. The energy. I don't know why it's Grace Jones, but we'll take it. Pull up to the bumper, baby.
Matadiso, let's meet on the 2 stages. I know you're gonna kill it, girl. We love you. We sing along. Your songs are national anthems in this country. Every Sundays when we listen to radio, when we play Sunday Soul Sessions, when we throw in your songs, I'm telling you.
Woo! Y'all better stop playing with me. Thank you. No,
The country
really.
loves you.
I love you guys even more. I love you back 1,000-fold. Thank you.
Realebo. Momedi tsamile fela jalo puisano ya rona le Karyn White kwano, but you gonna want me back has to be part of your
Please.
Oh, you guys are putting
performance.
pressure on us.
No, really, it has
See,
to
first,
be.
let me tell you guys,
Yes.
you were the first, well, the second, because I played with Dave.
Yes, David. Yes.
Right, you guys are the second. So I needed to know if you guys even liked it. It could have been like,
No, we love
go
it.
back to the drawing board, and that would have been fine.
We love it.
So that's why I wasn't going to put it in my show because,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, it had to be proven. So
Tell you what, I see.
next time, now y'all got to have me back now.
Yes.
Like, I knew what I was doing.
Thank you, Matadiso.
Thank you.
You say I was wrong, that's pain talking. You say you moved on, that's just game talking. Hey, you're gonna want me back. Oh, you're gonna need me one day. Hey, oh, you're gonna want me back. Hey, you're gonna miss my loving. You tried to spin it, but you're still the same. But I ain't that girl, you know I've changed. I found the rhythm when you played your part. You want history, but not my heart. Hey, you're gonna want me back. Oh, you're gonna need me one day. Hey, oh,
away. I poured you some tea, you had nothing to say. You sat real quiet like the words might hurt. I watched you crumble, stumble, but I stayed alert. You cracked your smile, trying to change the tone. I knew that look, you were already gone. You said don't trip like you stuck on repeat. I ain't mad, I'm just back on my feet. Hey, you're gonna want me back. Oh, you're gonna need me one day. Hey, oh, you're gonna want me back. Hey, you're gonna miss my loving. Hey, you're gonna want me back. You're gonna want me back. Hey, you're gonna want me back.
Ke molelwa, o kgaba jwalo ka biko. Re a thella ho Lesedi FM, Thabo le Lebo. Le nketsetsa nyenyenye.